Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwanchumu higereria w'Ensoko TV na gukwandire na ndandonsi asore no gusaba kwaninga gwatwara ritweriga rie sabato asobotkobiga wikomina rimo mutinyino yo kana mwaka bw'ekiri bubere 25 ne monche nkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi na kwariga ndira semesa yamayakuru Ensoko ensa eyamo otkobwada tunyarako batogosangana kurigereria nararia ya INQ kurwa sechinsemo ao na bwigo nararia ya bariki baito bamangana basangiriri kurwa sema mbiare ngentambe Brian Achaka na Felistas Kabendi na bari kurwa studio ya kabere ochigonkonya chika kechiga kwene kamero gine chibicha ngugo chirara senchiriringia karanso ko benento kurbono gwi komwerio sengenja mesa mayakurwa Ensoko ensa eyamo otkobwada chakira bono. Tuska bosio mwanchumu rigera tugo chakana robotiro kubwati umugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Mheshimiwa Amos Nyaribo nigobono akwanire hetaro y'umuraiwensi ya Kenya William Ruto yorobere gochakone kiwa sorongorwa gusigo cha creditko ria ankyo asate bire hegati ya barai chiko ikirania senseme yo kurase county ya Nyamira nigobono barai chekone kia egetaseni kiegari y'umuro busegetange kiereri na boigo chinyomba cy'uburaro hase eskuru ya eskuru yokurwa amaigerio yobobwene ya MTC hase agandri abana nchi kobeko marembe chinga kichetari
ochakira chuma tatu abera abachuma pili jioni mo president wa Kenya William Samuel Ruto na achabe nseme ya usi ya wansa Nyamira itukodia chuma tatu na ndajo okora Bosongo yuzikoria chumaina ndobwate chi project awao aoja otara ne chinde ko inspect na bono ga wanzira ikonga ndobwate chire kwa gacho ndobwate SGR banaichi banyora ri baba matebi nga chiwaje tetebe na ndenga yakobera aruo agende kiabanyoru arigererie nga university ya ikira sobwa gacho bwaye aji Nyamira town arigerichi ostericha KMTC na kichansira ndachi bekeri na riborso amayo chegeti kia primary Nyamira address wananchi ikonga station nero yerere lakini todate ko mobori bachenje design ikia to abwete korokoro chebira terogoro wal mobori bweche state borari no we county government to lease it out yona watu wangubutora gakega tonyora stokori neje mesigo ase mesigo ikerwa yona kie kitora mobori station yeki ni webena naka do no monne bwense agocha Kenya to bwata monne bwense oyomo iyo nandi na robwate esaro ichiwe Kenya chance ongobori abantu baito mo welcome na shangwe na ito kumobori ebinto anyare gotegerera igona ko wade birengeri yao abi wanchirwa lakini magani karo tokura irangora turakora esabari iyo narongo batebiga ki mo karibisho mone bwense
Tukusika bosio mwancho morigeria tutigaritase engane yumo waziri wechisemio Mheshimiwa Julius Migosi niganyarko bakagotarira ubwagachi obogendrete bwe chinyomba chimisato na mirongene chiaborkiwa ebe eskuru ya Keroka Technical Training Institute bosio bwetario muraibwense aburit koria ankyo litkoria Jumapili kago kwana kurwa sense meyo ye sub county ya Masaba South county ya Kisii ogambani gobona tebire ubwagachi obo nigati yemeroberio herio muraibwense arengete gochia konekia ogochakwa kwae litkoria ankyo.
Sana Mheshimiwa Rais atakuja Kisii on a development tour kutoka siku ya Jumapili mpaka siku ya Jumatano. Ataanza kutoka kule Ikonge, tutasafiri huku kote, angalie maendeleo, tuende mpaka kule chini South Mugrango, akiangalia maneno ya mabarabara, akiangalia maneno ya mashule, akiangalia maneno ya hostels kama hizi, ile cancer center kule town, ile university ya Nyamira, KMTC ziko ingine kule juu Nyamira na ingine South Mugrango, kufungua mabarabara zile ambao zimepeanwa ambao zinatengenezwa to bitumen standard, ili na markets, affordable housing, stadium kule Kisii na mengi ile ambayo ametupatia katika hii sehemu yetu, ili tuende pia tuwe katika ile system ya broad based na kupata maendeleo kila mahali, kwa sababu administration inasema kwamba kuna sehemu yoyote ya Kenya ambayo inatakana kubaki kwa maendeleo, na ndio sababu tumekuja kuona kwamba ile kazi, ile promises zilipeanwa zinaendelea kufanywa, zimefika wapi, ili kuja naye mkuje kwa wengi ili muweze kumkaribisha mwenu wetu, na kama iko tatizo ingine yoyote tunaweza muuliza siku hiyo kwamba pia atuongeze. Ndio sababu tuko hapa na tutaendelea kuangalia zingine zote prepare the way, advanced team, kuangalia kwamba kila kitu iko shwari. So hii ni development tour. Siku hizi tunataka kufanya maneno ya development. Maneno ya siasa itakuja baadaye. Ikikuja baadaye pia tutakuja kwa ground, tupatane na wale ambao tunatakana compete na in whatever section, from MCA to MP to governor to senator to women rep all the way to the presidency. We will come at that point. Lakini kwa saa hii tuweke mind zetu katika sehemu ya kufanya maneno ya development. Ndio sababu tuko area hii, na mnajua Mheshimiwa Rais anatembea kila mahali kuangalia kwamba Kenya maendeleo inaendelea vizuri. Wale watu parents ambao mko na watoto katika form 4 sahi KCSE 2026, niliwaelezea kwamba muangalie kwamba kila mtoto amekuwa registered kwa exam ya 2026. Ilifunguliwa mwezi wa 3, ikafungwa mwezi wa 3 on 30th. Muangalie kama mtoto wako amekuwa registered, ndio msifike siku ya exam ndio mnajitokezea kusema mtoto yangu hajakuwa registered. On the progress of the hostels that are being done here by the national government through the Ministry of Housing, this institution was allocated 340 parks, hostels that have started construction, and they are going to be completed by the end of this year, and hopefully by the beginning of the year the students would then be able to be accommodated in those hostels. We are doing hostels in our institutions to ensure that wale watoto wetu wote wanakuja katika hizi institutions wako na mahali pa kukaa. And we also want to take this opportunity kuwaelezea kwamba ile KUPS yetu ambao inafungua portal, ambao wanafunzi wetu wale walifanya KCSE mwaka jana 2025 imefunguliwa kutoka tarehe 7 mwezi huu for the next 30 days, ili watoto wetu wale ambao walipata C+ and above wanaweza kuapply sasa kwenda katika zile universities for the programs that they have. So ninataka kueleza parents, mjaribu kuongea na watoto wenu ili waende pale katika portal, waangalie, wafanye application kuingia kule ndani.
Toska bosio mwancho murigaria se robot ronde hekero abarai au bagendrete gwesokia na kuria ebirogo au nigo biborai nigo erioko gendra kuraga ekiara abarai abarabisi na oyo kuriekero ke bojumbe asense moye bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Calvin Omwando niko bono aesokire gwichandro kuboro kwa magendro ime ye bunge yo una agotenena ubugutena which basari ogosiro kwa masomo ya aborkiwa na bigo botumiki obobe wechibesa chikegancha kya NGCDF ka okwana nensoko TV Omwando niko bona bodrie abagetutu bamate kumusira sobo choryo bonne bolebosio helio kubaikirania amagendro ao ali abarierete eira
nche no mosike Calvin Kenani Omwando ko Getutu Chache South igo nkuigie kero kyo bujumbe bwabo Getutu ase ekurende gocha 2027 chinga kichi abono iga tongena ndete kwa masisha abana baito chigenzi babwate chikadi elinde babe kadi inde by 2027 banyare komeke decision igoro yoborai bwa seito ona ase Kitutu Chache South intubuna Getutu we feel that we have been isolated in terms of development keroko nyoranga ebya chipara cheito igo chire chimbe mono chi constituency chinde chonse tobebekaine ichire chiabo nchali chire chia Kitutu Chache North they are all tarmacked chipara chigasaina korosi gwororo gusiengi ma South Mogirango gochinyali bali lakini seito Kitutu Chache South igo tomenyete e town lakini torama kolime igo those are the kind of changes that I will wish to make and what I know this is not primarily a blame Tokobeka square on government. This is a blame of the budgeting process because a member of parliament nero bwate responsibility to participate in the budget making process igo chi proposal cha Kitutu Chache South ntori ya aware kusechi anya gotoka as a budgeting making process in terms of tarmacking seito na mono ntubwate challenge in terms of general management of our CDF bono abana baito bechiskuru mbanya kwa bursaries kurueta amya chagete yalire egasiekwa abane balenka bono we are going for a second term mtu anyako ya bursaries which makes us bigger questioning what is going on in Kitutu Chache South because all other constituencies by bursary. So these are the challenges that we face but ntubwato kosemelinga abagetutu mbarochaya na ende mbanyare okorobo onchorori obuya bachora barai babwate vision na ande bakonyara kobotebinga kitoko transform seito where I believe I am one of that leader. I'm that leader who can transform seito na kionko basabera Getutu Chache South bambugatisie segange yo kuligyo bujumbo na ende ntubwate ngana yende kuna bono yamangana administrative boundaries iga bono ntubwate utambo konyoranga kaliuma nankali kago chakabo gati ya Nyaribari Chache constituency na Kitutu Chache constituency. These are questions which are not supposed to be there but we wonder why okonyoranga unabono mujumbo Nyaribari Chache South ntoiwete wants to create a new division in Kitutu Chache South alia kurende igaiga kurende woresi ya race hospital around there. So we are asking igalimbo Kitutu Chache South by all standards it is known. You know there are maps chinkoro kinga yaba Getutu bale na Banyaribari bale. It's not a matter of just kuata chi boundary. It's how people want to identify themselves. Abantu bale batenga nchino mu Getutu oyo ndote abanchino mu Nyaribari. So if you make boundaries chikobeko monte sata tageti eyibono okunoko kosera abantabu. That is why we want administration to consider this na ende baligererie banyare ko make good decisions mba bese ko beke division esabantu batatageti.
Toska sorbotironde mwancho modigeria University ya Tangaza ya korre etaro ichi kilomita 10 yuerengete gosangirire chibesa chigo chego konya borkiwa abo bakurwa sechi amate chokonyora wense abo bagasoma se skuru iyo agokwana negeta senikigagie Ensoko TV na Baraibe University iyo maiga yetare iyo nigo bono baenekeire abakenya una university iyo nigo ekoira abana bonsi bari batari bosabana bonsi bari batebire nigo babwate oboroso obuya wechiase aborkiwa muri kitoli Nyambane na tara sensemeyo robotiro ya senchiro wikirana
abaibori basemigwe gosomya abana babo nario barachekoba abantu abaya asa matukare bosyo uko no koboria kurwa ase Professor Constantine Nyamboga kagukwana kurwa ase University ya Tangaza chinga kibakora etaro ye kilomita ikomi yogusangereria chibese chogokonya abana bari bakurwa ase chiamate chokonyora gwainse Nyamboga nigo asemirie anene egesaku kyo mugusomya abana
ndatakenga bagusia ase mwabeta university kiagara chibesa bakuinya korwa njiriko banyinge na ende moganya ng'abana bache kurangirwa mutinyu kianda esauria competition ye karo endane sana muna baje kutaka BS nursing mwarenge koenishwa ng'abana by May go balega.
Tangaza University started in the year 1986 August. So this work was meant to celebrate our 40 years of existence. These 40 years we have existed in training students from different faculties, students from School of Theology, students from School of Education, students from School of Arts and Social Sciences, and recently we started a School of Applied Sciences and Technology.
Chinga kiechecho abarai kurwa ase university eyo abo baikirana ase etare yo nigo batebire nonya university eyo kegusirwa ne kanisa ya Catholic nigo egoire gocha ase aboroki gwabande bonsi.
We have students who are self-sponsored, we have students who are also government sponsored. A number of the self-sponsored students face a lot of challenges, especially financial challenges. So in the celebration of our 40 years of existence, the management of the university decided that it is important to take care of the needs of our needy students.
Sisi ni university ya kanisa Katoliki, lakini tunakubali wanafunzi kutoka madhehebu mbalimbali ambao wanapenda kusoma, na sisi tunapofundisha tunahakikisha kwamba wanafunzi wetu wapate tu masomo lakini wanapata maadili.
Nonya nabo abarayabo nigo bairari bagerio na gwakera ababwatani aombuya au baikirania etare yo.
We are also grateful to the university leadership that has made this work possible, the sponsors, the management board, members of faculty, staff, and all those that wish us well, that together we can do much more. Together we can come together to support the cause of the needy.
We have student aid financial assistance, which is meant to help the needy students. But that kitty is not enough. So such an activity will help to contribute funds that will help. We want to at least to support 20% of our population because majority of them come from very humble backgrounds. So that money is going to help them to realize their dreams.
The university support towards the needy students. It is a very significant year in the life of Tangaza University for a journey that began 40 years ago with a few students of about 20 in number has grown to what we have today. Tangaza is a fully chartered university, and we are hoping that from this year to next 5 years, our vision of having more institutions within university, adding more schools, more disciplines will materialize by God's grace. So we thank the Almighty God for the rich diversity in Tangaza University. We have over 40 nationality groups in Tangaza University, which speaks of who we are in a very significant way.
Arenayo abakenya babori gwetanga kurwa ase siasa na kwenekia nkwegendereri bare ase obugima bwabo.
Na ende gonko basabera maya nima yetenga siasa isiko gabwa mangana na mangara ororo lakini tikago kwero munya siasa ngano munya siasa ko naranga waitirwa kule esa uri tate ko support kale support na support inde family yao na ando endishinga bana ao bachire skuru ne university bagocha Ntangasa.
Gorpateria Ensoko TV kurwa ase university ya Tangaza erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Bemano murigito Linet Nyambane no robot rwa senchira yobo ikirano toguska bosio mwancho murigeri asa robot rukubwate muraiwensi ya Kenya William Ruto ritukuria lero ukwana hase umwega hobarenta mo hababwatani kurwa se sector a orogongo rwa Afrika ya mocha sense moya Diani County ya Kwale niga kwaniro kugani ukororo kwemiroberio yokobekwa ne serikali chorogongoriga rwa Afrika ekwenekia abalimi ngokinigwa bare ebirengo bya basekeri buna nigo barache kwenekia hemiroberio yokoroisia chibesa na gokonya abana inchi abo umubaro monge hoganrete gokina asorogongoriga rwa Afrika
is at a reflection point, because Africa will have a quarter of the world's population will be living in our continent by 2050. And 2050 is just, 20 years from now, 20-something years from now. We will have the largest in the world coming from this continent. Because of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, we will have the largest single market in the world in this continent. And we have resources and we have assets. We have 2/3 of the world's remaining arable land. I was told by the former president of the Africa Development Bank that the future billionaires will be farmers. That is why I'm trying farming myself. And aside from that, we have huge mineral and natural resources in our continent. It is both an opportunity and a risk. Because of what I have said about our continent, there is need for thought leaders. There is need for intelligence leaders to think about how we are going to organize ourselves.
Mwanchumo rigaria wikiraguo no tuika omwerio sensemega entangani mesemo ya kuru ensoko ensa eya motoskare korenanda sensemo ya kabere togentrogo sangamange.
Eye Nensoko TV, uboroso bumugusi.
Painapi, kuratiga asa maleta nkuru kumilka sibira. Daiga setore iga kuru kwa Ensoko TV. Uboroso bumugusi. Ikaransa toya mutwensi tobaterane.
Una nyore tomanchu no moga cominto. Ni goyaringe sasa vaya moga sarietaoni. Ni goyaringe sasa vaya moga sarietaoni.
Obutiniro bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asama rieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonzo na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togo konya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwende university ongere gotumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri wono yaikireke wango guikaru ali kwanya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa otigire onge ya mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde ubugima bwabo bwirane gochaso ubugima bwe
Christmas number 0706380913 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buriyo gukora kingatare icyo butindu amaruire nigagendrete gotose mwana boire bokia tari yesu sira ekegonko esukari lisabeso ukurasa kwa manyinga yani blood pressure ninki turakore wetanga kuru wasare nyorali chibu asomurobiryo bubugima nobo cheno asora bigo kumeni wanabanyagitari bamaruire ao nabo yabamanyi bande bayatungetyo bo cheno kumurikira maruire nobo wenia nyoro murobiryo bubugima nobo cheno na Caroline Mausa kirali tukule Jumatatu chinsa ibiri chabutuko ime Yensoko TV oburuso umugusi tomu chako tengere mirobiri ito yogosemya na gukumenya yago korekana kirali tuko nabariki baitu beandrete chinga kichans asengencho yao eariganie asobo tengali butali nomubwekano
Korwa igaiga asamaga choje bunge nene amaneria Senate umwancho murgeri egwe Soko TV ntabe to koletera amangana magia abunane to wateka kurwa gaiga miyobo katakati ubumuchi Nairobi igoika igabo sore nchekuru kwa Daniel Omwaga ne yene Soko TV oboroso womugusi
Eye ni Soko TV oboroso bumugusi
Karibu sana mwancho muriria sensembega ya kabere mesema ya kuru Soko ensa ayamo buyamona Soko endrago sangana intwe na bono togosika bosio sorobotero kubwatia mukwandri we serikali Isaac Mwaura niko bono aesokire na kurwa chinkwana chae cha rokandra komocha igatia barai bari bakomuborera amaskani umurai bwense kaokwana samatanga yoko mwenia umwana bumutendri o Kenya Ports Authority Captain William Ruto niko bono Isaac Mwaura atebire nebwendete abarai kurwa amaskani gocha sabare bari bachodere barasubura ibon.
We are here to condole with the family of Captain William Ruto. He is the MD of Kenya Ports Authority. He was involved in an accident with the family, and we send our most sincere condolences. We've just come for the funeral of his dear daughter, Michelle, and we really want to say Pole. And from the outset, it is important for leaders to respect families during burial. Whatever we saw in Olkalau was not really acceptable. We saw a lot of disrespect. And even if you don't like the person of the president, but you have to respect the institution of the president. What we saw with some leaders there, some of them were fairly young and even serving their first time in parliament, was really disrespectful. And even if you have political differences, there is some decorum that is required going forward. In any case, when we go for a funeral, the idea is about the family. It's not about we politicians or leaders wanting to settle political scores when others are mourning. So that's a very shameful act, and the president needs to be respected as an institution. That is not something that should be compromised at any point. Secondly,
Toska basio mwancho murigaria barikurwa sorgongo rwa Western Kenya niko bono baesokire na gukwandra hukuganyo kororo kwa barayo bachore kurwa senseme yogo chamo kubwatira na irigo chakonekia amagendro no bokorri buya we serikali kubaikira bore abananchi bono garibwe bunge nene Moses Wetangula mwaziri otendrete bintu bitu etainene Debra Baraza na boigo omweshimiwa Susan Nakumicha negati yabare bari baikira naso moiga onekiwase county ya Trans Nzoia sebono batebire ne chinga kichikire orogongo rukwebanga bosio bachore bono mwaka bwechirubere 2025 na ibere.
We have one mandate, we have one responsibility, which is our people. And the only way we can provide and protect our people is by uniting as leaders of one house. And so I request that our leaders unite. Hata watoto wakipigana kwa nyumba itakaa vizuri. Sisi tunafaa kujenga nyumba yetu. Tunafaa kukaa kwa amani na tunafaa kuungana. Tukiungana, tukienda kuongea kuhusu miradi upande huu wa kwetu, pia inapitishwa haraka. Lakini tukitawanyika, unajua, hatutaweza kuleta miradi kwa njia rahisi.
Kwa hivyo mtu asisimame mahali asema ati mtu anatoka Bungoma kutupanga, na huyu speaker ni wa hapa Trans Nzoia. Kwa hivyo hakuna mgeni hapa, na sisi ni wenyeji, tunajipanga na tuko na marafiki zetu, tutatembea na hao tukomboe kaunti ya Trans Nzoia. Kwa hivyo wamama wanajua kazi, wakipewa kazi wanafanya. Sasa mtatuma Maina Humicha afanye kazi ya kaunti, Maina Humicha afanye.
Na ndio nawaomba nyinyi ndugu zetu wa Trans Nzoia, tupunguze siasa ya kujipiga vifua, kutusi wengine, kujigamba na kusema maneno ambayo haieleweki. Ni kufanyia wananchi kazi, na kama wanawafanyia wananchi kazi, yenyewe itaonekana na yenyewe itakumarket na kukuuza kwa wananchi. Kama ufanyi kazi, hata ukisungumuza kutoka asubuhi mpaka jioni, hata ukituzi weta kutoka asubuhi mpaka jioni, kazi yako haitaonekana. Na mimi nawaambia ndugu zangu wananchi, kutukanwa nimezoea. Hiyo hata haisaidii. Nimekuwa kwa siasa kwa muda mrefu. Nimetusiwa, nimefanyiwa madhambi, nimefanyia ukora, lakini mimi ndio huyu. Hakuna mahali ninaenda.
Tukusikabusio mwancho murigereria umuraiwe kiama gia DCP Rigathi Gachagua negati yababwatani bae nigo baikirana hase umwiga ugisiasa oenekiwa ase bunge ya Kikuyu kaunti ya Kiambu. Gachagua nigaira chinga kiecho kama mwachumo jumbe bwenseme yo Kimani Ichung'wah ase okwenekia chiburaburu na kwenekia umuroberi obo toikiranetie ase enchera ya robirie heye maiga ya barabo gosagana n'ababegu habo gwikira boniga bataramanywa egento boigo Gachagua aburiri eserikali gwetera ase bitabo by'oborendi kwenekia buna abananchi bonsi kwenekirwa baroborendekero libereria siasa rigentete kwenekiwa gosio bachorio banaiga Kenya.
Kimani Ichung'wah alisema Rigiji hatafika Kikuyu. Rigiji amefika hajafika? Rigiji amefika hajafika? Hapa ni wapi? Hapa ni wapi? Kiongozi wa Mlima Kenya ni gani? Kiongozi wa Mlima Kenya. Hapa Kikuyu niko nyumbani, siko nyumbani. Tabia zako Kimani Ichung'wah. Hatuamini wewe ni Mkikuyu. Hatuamini wewe ni Mkikuyu. Umeshikana na William Ruto kuangaiza jamii ya Wakikuyu. Ni makosa kubwa sana Ichung'wah. Hao watu wa Kikuyu walikuchagua mara 3 kutuma polisi na risasi na tear gas kupiga wale watu ambao walikuchagua. Umekuwa pale tukikuja na akina Kalonzo na akina Matiang'i. Polisi wametuvamia na risasi, wakatumavia na tear gas. Lakini kwa sababu mimi ni mtoto ya Mau Mau, nimesema lazima niingie Kikuyu. Hapo Mlimani nimetangaza Operation Fagia ya kufagia wasaliti wa jamii yetu. Nikisema harambee mnasema fagia. Harambee! Wasaliti wote UDA, Wilbaro, Kimani Ichung'wah, hapa Kikuyu munasemaje? Kikuyu munasemaje?
Mwancho murigereria na rayo kurwa sema ya kurwa ensoko ensa emo hase obutkobuga gwikomina rimo mutionyo gokane mwako yiga gwechiri bubere 25 ne muno gusaba kwaninga gwesemirie na kwimanyari aenekiwe kenda gutwara burigerio bya semero birigenda ta sembeo gikoroga chinsa 300 ninjikora nagaiga tosanga senchera yo gwikirano asiribaga riaye Brian Chaka na Felistas Kabendi bankonya kwenekea marogini chibi chango chara senchera ringi ya kurwa studio ya kabere chenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi.